what we have done so far. Okay, we have done the rainbow method, also as known as expanding. Okay, so expanding means I will see a bracket. When I see a bracket, I will multiply. A times x will give me ax. A times y will give me ay. So this is expanding. Let's use expanding in some examples. Solving means solve for x. Find my value of x. And I see a bracket here. How can I do expansion? First step, I will expand 3 times 5x. What is 3 times 5x? 15x. Thank you. 3 times 8. 24. So first step, I will do expansion. So I have an x here, I have an x here. Move all the x to the left. How I'm going to deal with the 10x is opposite. 0 pair, minus 10. If I do on the right hand side, I must do on the left hand side. Same, equal. Okay? So what is the next line? I will deal with the 24, move it to the right. Okay? So I will do the opposite, minus 24. When I do on the left, I must do on the right. My next line is 5x equals to negative 24. So when I do step 1, put all the x's to the left, this is shown from here to here, where I just have x and the left. Then my step 2, I'll put numbers to the right, which is shown from second to third step. Follow so far? You're not done yet because you have to find x. Solve for 1x. How do I solve for 1x? You have to divide by what on both sides? In this case, yeah, you have to divide by 5 on both sides. What is minus 24 divided by 5 in your calculator? So I accept both answers in mixed fraction and in decimal. Okay, so this is how we solve for 1x. In this question, I notice I have 2 brackets, which I know I have to do expansion 2 times. So 7 times y, 7 times minus 2. Second one, 2 times 2y, 2 times negative 9. After you do expansion, by the way, this is 1 mark. Remember, go back to solving. What does solving mean? In this question, what am I solving for? Solve for y. Find y. Now I have y on the left, y on the right. I will do with 4y. I need to bring over to the other side. So I'm going to do the opposite. Minus 4y on the left side. Balance as well. Now I'm going to deal with the minus 14. Do the opposite. Plus 14 plus 14. The last step, if I have 3y equals to negative 4, I'm going to divide by the number in front of y. Number in front of y is 3. I divide by 3, it will give me y. On the right side, it will give me minus 4 over 3. Yes. Sound very good. I cannot leave it in improper fraction. I must leave it in mixed fraction. So, yes, negative 1, 1 over 3.